Blue Women panelist and cruise ship queen Jane McDonald wowed in a red velvet dress as she arrived to present this year's British Soap Awards. This year's awards are being hosted by the star after she was announced as the presenter following Phillip Schofield's dramatic exit from ITV. The former This Morning star stepped down from all of his ITV duties, including hosting the British Soap Awards after news of his concealed affair broke last month. Schofield had previously hosted the soap celebration every year since 2006 but has since parted ways with ITV, including their Soap Awards event. Whilst all eyes might be looking to cruise ship singer and host of the night Jane McDonald, the star didn't let the side down as she wowed in her figure-hugging red velvet dress. The 60-year-old star also had her trademark brunette hair perfectly coiffured into bouncy waves as she posed for snaps before the event began. She was joined by soap stars on the red carpet at Salford's Lowry Theatre, where the awards are being held before they will air on ITV and ITVX on Tuesday 6 June. Soap actresses Jennifer Metcalfe and Georgie Porter also stunned on the red carpet as they attended the awards. Jennifer, who is best known for her role as Mercedes McQueen in Channel 4's Hollyoaks, showed off her slim figure with a body-hugging black jumpsuit and heels. New mom Georgie Porter joined her fellow stars in a white strapless beaded dress and gold heels, letting her blonde hair fall in soft waves. The pair were joined by fellow Hollyoaks stars Steph Waring, Chelsea Healy and Kirsty Lee Porter, as well as stars from some of TV's best-loved soaps. Coronation Street star Charlotte Jordan arrived in a fitted pink maxi dress with a gold jewel door bag as she posed for photos. EastEnders actress Danielle Harold, who has recently been breaking viewers' hearts after her dramatic storyline involving on-screen character Lola's death from a brain tumor, looked every inch the glamorous actress. The star wore her long blonde hair in starlit waves with a sequin dress featuring a dramatic thigh-high split. Former Brookside star Claire Sweeney was also in attendance at the awards as she posed on the red carpet in one shoulder red gown showing off her curves. The event will see programs such as Emmerdale, EastEnders, Doctors and Coronation Street battle it out for awards. Jane will host the awards, which will air on ITV and ITVX on Tuesday 6 June from 8 p.m, with soaps and their cast waiting to see who will win the awards for gongs including Best Villain, Best Leading Performer, and Best Young Performer. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct 0207 29 33 033. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.